G'day again. Today we're going to look at some bearings. So there's two ways of interpreting bearings. One is true and one is by compass. So we're going to do both. So I've already drawn A in our north, south, east, west, and I've made it 45 degrees. So when you're figuring out bearings, if you're doing true, you're always going from north. So if I start at north, I'm always going this way for a true bearing. Okay, I always want to go this way. I can go as far as I want around. If I go all the way around, that's going to be 360 if I go all the way around. But you would say, well, that's a true bearing of 0. You might say 360, but usually it's 0. And so anywhere there is a true bearing. So let's look at this one. If we go from here, we're going to start there, and we go that way, and that's pretty obvious, that's 45 degrees. So we would write true 45 degrees. Okay? Next one, compass. For a compass bearing, we're going to start from either north or south. And we're going to go either that way or that way. Okay? So we look for which one it's closest to. Well, which one is A closest to? It's closest to north. So we're going to go from north towards the east. Okay? So start at north. We're going to go towards the east, 45 degrees. And we put east there. And that's our compass bearing. So let's make up another one. We'll make up B, C, D, and E. We'll do them one at a time. So here we go. I'll just draw a line in there. We'll call that B. And we'll make up an angle. Let's say, I don't know, 20 degrees. So now we know where B is. So let's go again for true. So how do we find a true bearing? We start at north, we go around. So we're going to start at north, let's rub that one out. We're going to start at north and we're going to go around to there. So how far is it around to there? Well, we know that's a right angle. So this is 90 plus 20. Oh, what's 90 plus 20? That's pretty easy. That's 110. So we've got 110 around our circle. So now let's look at the compass. Which one's it closest to? Is it closest to north or south? Well, B is closest to south. So we're going to start from south. And then where we're going to go? We're going to go towards the east. So we're going to go that way, towards the east. So none of these numbers, 45, 90 or 20, are the numbers we want. We want that number. So how far have we gone that way? Well, again, we know that is 90. So 90 take away 20, this must be 70. So we're going to go from south, we're going to go 70 towards the east. You get that? Let's do another one. So C. Getting a bit messy with our diagram, we'll rub out some numbers. And our big line there. I might actually rub out these angles. And let's draw C. So let's make C go down there. There's C. And for C, we'll put in this angle, make this angle, we know that's 90. They're all 90, aren't they? We know that's 90, so let's make that 80. And that's all you're given on the diagram. It's pretty easy again. Start from north, go all the way around. How far is south? Well, you should know. 90 plus 90 is 180. It's also a straight line, so that's 180 degrees. This is 90, so that must be 10. So we're going to go 180 plus 10 all the way around. So we've done this. And we've gone true 190. So now we've got this. What's closest to? It's closest to south. So we're going to go south 10 degrees, which we've already figured out, 10 degrees towards the west. South 10 degrees towards the west. You got that? So D, let's do one more. Let's rub it out. We'll leave our line there because we'll keep it going. We'll just do this one up here. Okay, so that one we knew was 10 there. We'll make that one 10 there. Okay, so we're going to keep our line going around to there. And that's our true, because true is going from there. Okay, so we've gone all the way around to here, 90, 90, 90, so we know that's 180. This is 270. 10, that's 80, so we want to go 270 take away 10 is 260, or if we figured it out the other way, 90 take away 10 is 80, and we could go 180 plus 80 if you wanted to say, well, that there is 80. So you might want to add that to 180, or you could just as easily take 10 away from 270. So 270 take away 10 is 260. And where are we starting from? Where is this closest to? Is it closer to north or south? It's closer to south. So we're going to go south and we're going towards the west, and we know from there to there is 80. And we're going towards the west. Okay, one more. So let's pick up here. Let's just go there. And we'll make this angle here, I don't know, 30. So there's our angle there, that's 30. So we've got to keep this line going around for our true. We keep going around to there. So how far is it all the way around there? Well, we know all the way around a circle is 360. We're going to take away 30. 360 take away 30 is 330. What's our compass? Is it closer to north or south? It's closer to north, isn't it? And we're going 30 towards the west. So it's closer to north, and we're going 30 degrees towards the west. There we go, and I hope that helps.